You guys are doing great today. I'm just gonna go and pick up my friend. We're gonna go check out Mazda 2 today. It is quite a trek to go and try to get the car, but yeah, gonna go check it out. It's gonna be a good time, and yeah, 2 hours though. Yeah, I'm excited to get this one though because it's about $4,000. I want to see how it goes. Today's one of my days off, so like I said, my friend's gonna accompany me, and then it's gonna be a freaking good time. Yeah, it'd be so sick. As you can see, it's coming in right now. Coming in. Yo, what's up, bro? You just kicked that can in. It took a while to get here, and I spent about, I don't know, a couple hours or so. Found a place, and I see in the back over here, it's not it. Mazda 2, Mazda 2, Mazda 2. Looks like it's decent. No rust. It's manual transmission. That's what I'm talking about. Has cruise control. This is kind of like down. It's kind of old. It's a good sign. Guy only wants $4,000 for it. Tires are kind of flat though. Balance is okay on it. Don't see anything out of the ordinary. Yeah, it looks pretty good. That's what it looks like. Okay, so as you guys can see in the bottom, like right here, underneath, it's like a little rusty. I gotta trust my gut for this kind of stuff, you know what I mean? It's all rusty down there. And it's usually when it starts, yeah, it's not a good thing. Oh, damn. Not too happy about this. Drove all the way out here with my buddy Kai, and might have to trust my gut on this. Really loving this. Has cruise control, manual transmission. Like rusty, right? I know. Because I know at one point for the Mazda 3 they skipped the primer part just to save some money, and so yeah, but surprisingly it looks really clean.
Engine bay looks not bad.
Wow.
Not too much rust. Like here. How old is this car?
2011.
10-year-old car.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not too bad. Engine bay not too bad. I mean, obviously you're always gonna get more rust.
A few moments later.
I mean, I'm gonna go here, Sensote Ramen. This place is so good for ramen. I'm gonna go here with my friend Kai. He's already in. I just went to go get the GoPro. So yeah. So sometimes you just have to trust your gut. Buddy Kai, thank you Kai for coming with me, bro.
What's up?
Yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna eat some ramen right now.
Welcome to another episode of Destination Kai.
Destination Kai.
So I'm here in Markham. We're in footage, but I'm never gonna edit.
It doesn't matter. Like I think like as long as you're recording footage, and then making. Checked out that car, and then we're gonna say about it. Like you have to really trust your gut, and so like there was a lot of pros and cons about that car that I really liked. Like number one had cruise control compared to the first one. The first one had like no cruise control, and it sounded like he has a like a clean title. But the thing is, like that salesman, I didn't really like that salesman. He was just kind of weird. I just didn't like the way his attitude was. Just kind of like just pulling. Oh, you want to see the car? I want to pull it out. I fucking hate that. So like because I also buy. You tend to buy stuff when you're around really good attitudes and vibes. Like that's what makes a good salesman, right? Like I think if I had the money, I think I would just go into a dealership with like my sandals and like just kind of really bum it out and then just really see who would really work hard for this kind of with my money, for my money. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. How's it going, man? Thank you. Yeah. The guy's hair is cool. You see that? Nice little perm. It's kind of cool. Just kind of have a look at it. Guys can see it though. But anyways, got some tea here. I ordered this tea just because I feel like it's Japanese tea. But yeah, so like there was a lot of pros and cons with that car, and like I said, like that really irked me a little bit because of that salesman. He just didn't really, he was like didn't care. He's just full blown. Like he's like, oh, you want to look at the car? You want to pull it out? And like, because of that attitude, I don't really like that. That first car, the one with the accident, like the salesman, he's actually really nice. He's like, oh, like you know, Paul, like if you want, you got 2-year warranty on it, and all this such, and so like you know, I didn't have to tell you that there was an accident on it, but like I just pull up the Carfax so you can see. So yeah, the car search continues, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, everything like that. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the ramen. It's going to be really amazing. It's going to be sick. I ordered for you.
Just put no onions.
Tonkotsu black with no onions and double up on the meat. Yeah. You're welcome. But yeah, the washing probably in there is really nice, eh? I like it.
Very good. Noodles, just right.
That's what I'm talking about. Buddy Kai's recording.
Not for the best part. Meat. Can't wait to dig into this.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Love it. Like, check out this egg. Oh, like, check this out. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Wow. We gotta go with some water. Holy. There's noodles. I need some nudes in my life. All kinds of nudes. And then you're wondering if I can eat this flour? The answer is yes, you can. This place is amazing. I love this place so much. This place is called Sensote. It's in Richmond Hill, and yeah, guys, check it out. Love it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my food. Peace.